have I got the best $105 spend at Louis Vuitton ever? It's a hack, girl. It's a friggin' hack.
OMG. Clock it.
Hey, Ewans, it's WINNIEBEE LV, mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this ho hat wearing hoe today. I can't help it. You know that thing of when you get your hair cut and it's not exactly like you would style it, but it's still okay, but it's not... Yeah, I didn't want to go ahead and redo my hair, so I just put a hat on because why friggin' not? Okay, let me just say, I did not come up with this hack on my own. A lot of people have stumbled on it. Dia of Opulent Obsessions, yes, she is the one that set me on the path for this because the new notebooks came out.
The new phone book's here! The new phone book's here!
Like the little $105 notebooks with, you know, I'll show you, with, you know, just plain paper in them. I mean, yes, it's a notebook that would cost you 98 cents at Staples or the drugstore. But yeah, Louis Vuitton has to zhuzh it up. But the thing about this notebook is incredible. The packaging alone is worth the $105. Even if the notebook isn't, because in my opinion, I don't think the notebooks are. What? Unless they're like monogram and you can change them out, then that turns it into like a $700 notebook. But anyway. So Dia ordered it first, and then she told me and Dawn and Rachel about it in our chat, and I was like, oh my gosh, girl, let me try it. Immediately put it in my car. It was add to cart. There were 2 different styles available at the time. I think it's like the spring summer, or yeah, it's a summertime print.
In the summertime when the weather is hot.
One of those by the pool, by the beach, you know what I'm talking about, prints. And I bought this not for myself because I have bought a $105 notebook, and I don't know if it was $105 at the time, but in the past I have bought like an animation notebook that was around the $100 and some odd mark. I could not bring myself to even put it in my bag or attempt to write any words in it because it was so expensive. And yeah, I just use my phone for notes. So this is a gift to one of my more bougie friends out there having a birthday in August. And I just was like, you know what? They deserve this notebook, but I'm going to keep the packaging. Okay, say no more. Here we go. I got this, which is a sample of something, either makeup or perfume or both. I feel like it's both, but I could be wrong because it does have Les Parfums on the front. So it's probably a sample of perfume, which, girl, I will take it. You get your little, this is all $105, girl. You get your little receipt, right? You get your Louis Vuitton packaging down to the box and everything, girl. And then the best thing about this is I only spent $105 and I got the new packaging, which is this like blue and creamy kind of off-white color. But check this thing out. This is a full-on metal ornament or bag charm, whatever you want it to be, girl. It is, look, it's like one of those beach house things that you go change your clothes in, I think, or like a lifeguard stand or something. Maybe the back of a boat, a houseboat or something. I don't even know, but man, how freaking cute. This is what I wanted. This is the thing that I went in for, and I bought it online. Keep trying to order like really inexpensive things on there, which really, that's not much these days. It's really not, girl. But $105, why am I saying $105 is nothing? That's how far we've come, okay, as luxury lovers.
Would you have any Grey Poupon?
We just think $105 is nothing, but you can go to TJ Maxx and buy 3 or 4 of the Boatkin bags right now. I saw them today, girl. Yeah, you can buy 3 or 4 TJ Maxx bags right now, or Target bags. Seriously, maybe you could buy an on sale Coach outlet bag right now, like for $105, but still, okay. This is all I got, but I'm so excited about it. Look at me, I'm like crazy and giddy right now.
Who are you?
Okay, let's get into it. I haven't really looked inside here. I did open the box and I noticed I got some things. And that's why I was like, let me do this video. I am so excited right now. But check out the charm thing. You could put this on a bag. You could attach this to something, a little ribbon of some sort, and put it as a bag charm on one of your Louis Vuitton items. I think I will save it, however, for my mini bag charm tree every Christmas that I do, because this is an ornament to me. It's just such a good ornament. Girl, I am so excited. Like, this is worth it right here. This and my Perfume sample. Okay. Plus I got the new ribbon. Like, they have conditioned us to be some sort of way about this packaging, girl, but we expect it now and we want it. And when they give it, we're like, yes! Okay.
What the fuck?
So it does come in a little, you know, this little kind of box. I don't know how that'll transfer, but yeah. One of those little, I don't know, like a file or something that you would see in a legal office.
Same shit, different video.
Okay. It is a notebook, by the way. Oh, it's even smaller than I thought, girl. Oh. $105 at Louis Vuitton. Oh, did I just ruin the packaging? This is a gift. You idiot.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
I just tore the packaging. Oh my God. Okay. Hold, please. I gotta rectify this. Oh, I got it. Okay, I did tear it just a teeny. My big fat sausage fingers, dang it! Okay. Oh my gosh, it comes with a little scanner thing too. How cute is this? My bestie is going to love this. But it comes with this little teeny tiny, oh my gosh. Like, that comes with all the things. Anyway. It's like gold on the side. Insert the Austin Powers gold thing right here.
I love gold!
But yeah, this is super cute. Oh my gosh. It's just a flimsy little notebook. But girl, on the inside, now this is just paper stock. It's not actual canvas monogram. However, they do make these books like that. They're a little more expensive now, and I think they're a little bit bigger. They've gotten a little small, but girl, I'm not going to complain. This is totally worth it to me with the packaging. I'm just so excited. I did this experiment and like, it worked. I'm very, very happy. So if you want to go on there and see if it works for you, or if you have done this hack, let me know down in the comments. Like, finally Louis Vuitton is giving us packaging that's worth something. Most of the time you just shove it in a box and send it to you, especially if you get it from your SA. Nothing against your SA. I love mine. Her name is Becca. If you ever need her, she's at the Houston Galleria. I always have her posted in my box down below, but she will give you what she can, but the company kind of ties their hands. They kind of, you know, have to watch what they send out, which I think is crazy. You're spending tons and tons of money on something that literally cost them $5 to make. The markup on this, hello. But anyway, it is very cute. I'm not really sure what this is. There were two different colorways. I thought this one was the cutest and really gives off a summery vibe. But yeah, it has the little bitty thing in here. And if you're gifted this sort of thing, girl, use it, because you didn't pay anything for it. Put it in your bag, jot down grocery list, whatever. But for this price, if it's me and I'm buying it for myself, which I'm not buying it for myself anymore.
Sure, Jan.
I don't know. It's just a little too precious to even write in. It's just kind of like put on a shelf and forget it. I know someone gifted me, I think it was Gwynnie or Autumn, several years ago, a Dior notebook. That was amazing. Do you guys know that I still have it in the original box and have not ever cracked it open to write in it?
Surprise, surprise. Surprise, surprise.
Yeah, what is wrong with me? But it's just too precious, man. I know that it costs money. So anyway, if you are into this, definitely try this hack out. I just wanted to share it with you really quick, get this in video for you. This can't be gate kept, girl. We gotta let people know, okay? We gotta let them know, girl. Shout it to the rooftops. It is imagination. Loving this, loving it, loving it, loving it. Thank you again, guys, for coming by today. Oh my gosh, I do have something else to share with you. Okay, y'all already know at the end, I tell you my bag of the day, which my bag of the day is my Speedy P9 in the ultra black. I love it. This is a 30 size if you are interested, and I have it charmed up, girl. Thank you to Lori. She sent me this cool ass sneaker from Coach. That is one of the things I wanted to show you. But I am loving, loving, loving this charm. If you wonder where I got this, this is a cheapo imitation sus eBay find from Dawn bitch, who told me about this, and I was like, of course, I need to get it. But Zumoni is now making the inserts for the P9 Speedies. They just recently started doing this, and I was like, hello, I need that quick. So I got the black one just to go along with the, you know, ultra black theme. For some reason, the P9 Speedies in the all leather are just a little bit different than a regular canvas Speedy for some reason. So they kind of had to special make one for this. I'm not mad about it. Cut to last year when I tried to measure the bag to send him the measurements to make one, and I was way, way off. But it ended up that I over measured so badly that the insert fits my Judy bag perfectly. Thankfully, they know what they're doing. They have the measurements for you. You can order it in a 25 or a 30. I even think they have it in a 40. You'll have to consult with them, but I'll give you all the info down below, and I'll even give you some money off today if you use Zumoni. Girl, the best inserts in the world always get Zumoni. Okay, just letting you know that they special make these for you as you order them, okay? So yeah, it might take a minute, but girl, this one came pretty damn quick. Little thank you note. They came with, oh, they sent me some of these little organizer things, which are great inside your bag. And I have a friend that uses them in her drawer beside her bed to keep all of her stuff organized. So these will promptly go to her. They've even got little card holders too. Oh my God, I love it, I love it. Thank you, Zumoni. Okay, so I got the floppier one, but they come in one that's really, really floppy, and this one's not as floppy. It's a little bit thicker.
Yeah, boy.
But in the P9, you sort of are carrying a floppy, floppy bag. You already know that going in, girl. Okay, I emptied my bag out because I knew I was gonna go ahead and try it out. Yes! Ooh, it is the perfect fit, unlike the one that I have to use in my 40 Empire now that I had made for the 30, because your girl can't measure. Well, I can measure one thing. Oh, yes, she did.
You're nasty.
It is a nice, nice little sag in there, so you wouldn't even know I had an insert in there. But this kind of leather, if you have a P9, you definitely need an insert. I don't trust anything in my bag when it's this expensive. Any bag, though, you don't want to ruin your interior. I just cannot stand buying a pre-loved bag and seeing that people had pins just all willy-nilly, perfume, nail polish, lipstick, all broken out inside the interior. It drives me insane. So I love to always put an insert in, and Zumoni, my favorite place, the only place that I will ever get an insert for anything, and it is Zumoni. So go on, check it out. I will have it down below for you, girl.
It's great to learn.
Because knowledge is power.
Okay, thanks for coming by today and checking out my little video. I hope that those things are still available. Go on there and check it out on the website and see if you can still get the amazing packaging. I hope you can. Let me know down below if you've already gotten it and what you think. Lately, I haven't been, you know, co-signing buying any kind of Louis Vuitton, but this, I'm really cool with it. I'm like down, yes. All right, do me a favor, girl. If you have seen 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of my videos and you haven't subscribed, what? That hurts my heart. Go ahead and do me a favor right now, please. Hit that subscribe button, hype the video up, thumb it up, comment down below if you've made it this far in the video. Put a flower down for summer, girl. Yes, put a flower down for me. Thank you. And one last thing, if y'all see my husband, girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. Already know the bag of the day. The scent of the day is one of my favorite all-time scents, but especially from Dior. It is the Ambre Nuit. My bestie a couple years ago bought me this humongous bottle for my birthday, and look, it's barely dented, but yeah, I use it quite a bit. I like to spray this on at night before going to bed. It gives me some good slumbering thoughts. I don't know, something about Ambre. I don't know, the notes in this, the Ombre Nuit, it just makes me sleep really well and knocks me the heck out. So yes, girl, this is one thing I absolutely love. It is the scent of the day. Ooh, watch of the day is actually Bill's. It is this Citizen, I think they call this the Cyosa or something like that. It is a fantastic watch and is not gonna break the bank. It looks really amazing. Look at the back of this watch. I love this watch. I bought it for him for Father's Day, but I've worn it more than he has. But look at the back. It's like the skeleton movement to where you can see through. I don't know what the band, yeah. You can see the movement in the back. So freaking cool. I absolutely love this watch, but don't tell him. It's actually his. But yeah, I like to wear it too. And because I have on pink and green today, I wore green socks with my pink and green Adidas Piggy Runners. Yes, the unheard of brand. This is a shoe that you probably won't be able to just go find, but they are on StockX. I will link them, and you know, if you're into them, you might have to pay a little more than retail, but I love these shoes. And they're the ultimate summertime shoe because this is so sheer. It's almost like wearing socks. I mean, they're that comfortable, but they breathe really well, so they're not like a hot, stifling shoe in the middle of summer and it's like 95 here. So yeah, we'll take all the coolness we can get. I really should probably be wearing sandals, but my feet. No, I'm a sneaker girl. Girl, I'm gonna put a video right here. Do me a favor and click on that video and keep on watching. Bitch, what can I say? I'm a sucker for the packaging, bitch.